Department 851226832232. News media point of contact is Kyle Police Department 851226832232. Small craft advisory.
Oh my god, I barely caught that. Is WBAP gonna relay?
It'll be chilly by the time you wake up for your Wednesday with a low 37.
Oh my god, I can't believe I barely caught that. I'm still counting that, you fuckers. I'm still counting that. Ignore the high-pitched ring, and that's because this phone causes interference. Yes, I got a new phone.
Right now it is 50 degrees in Dallas, 46 degrees in Fort Worth. The news is brought to you by McGowan Publishing Incorporated. Just as airports are experiencing an uptick in travelers ahead of Thanksgiving, a study naming the airlines and airports that may be prone to delays.
Hold on. Is there other stations, maybe?
T6. Offshore.
Nope, there isn't. Sadly. Ignore the fact that if the button beeps off, this thing is just about dead. That's why.
Experience mariners with smaller vessels.
I'm still counting that. I don't give a shit. I'm still counting that. I don't care if I caught the last 15 seconds of the alert. That still counts. That still counts. That still fucking counts.
Weather Service NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm System. This test is conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon local time, unless there is severe weather in the area, in which case the test is postponed until Thursday. Again, this is only a test. There is no severe weather in the area at this time. Here is the synopsis for the Middle Texas coastal waters. Weak to moderate north winds are expected today and tonight, weakening for Thursday. Isolated to scattered showers possible tonight and Thursday before coming to end Thursday evening.